Good morning, students. My name is Ajay Pal Singh. Today I am sharing with you an experiment related with slip ring induction motor. Name of experiment is to study the operation of slip ring induction motor. Induction motor having two types. One is squirrel cage induction motor and second one is slip ring induction motor. Slip ring induction motor having high starting torque, and starting torque is achieved, that is high starting torque is achieved by adding the resistance in the rotor circuit of an induction motor. The setup to study the operation of slip ring induction motor is: one starter is used, three-phase winding is used, that is stator winding, that is in this case star connected. So line terminals are connected with the supply. With respect to the other finished terminals are connected common. The connection in this arrangement is star connection for stator. Similarly, rotor winding is connected by mean of additional resistance in the rotor circuit. So here this is the resistance box. So there are two terminals R2 and R1. Okay, so these two terminals R2 and R1 is connected with the rotor of slip ring induction motor. Means there are three terminals for three-phase rotor winding, that is R1, R2 and R3. These are connected with each other. Okay, and in series we add this resistance. Okay, so R1 is connected with this R2 terminal and the return terminal, that is say R2 is connected with further R2, and this process is continuously occurred. Okay, so in this way we connect three-phase slip ring induction motor. So let us study its operation. Okay, so first switch on the supply. Supply is switched on. Okay, so in order to start the motor, DOL starter is used. Okay. So in this case we add a resistance in the rotor circuit to improve the starting torque of slip ring induction motor. So in this case multimeter is used to identify the value of current, and that is 1.4 ampere, and slip ring induction motor speed is depend upon the number of poles of an induction motor. So similarly, by changing the value of load, the speed of slip ring induction motor varies, and that is if we increase the density of load, speed decreases. Okay. The main purpose of experiment is to study the operation of slip ring induction motor. Students are required to prepare one-page report for the experiment. Thank you.